So this is a huge L for anyone who has a foldable cell phone or a regular cell phone in general. Samsung is no longer going to be supplying parts and working with Ifixit to give them parts to sell so that you can fix your own cell phone, or you can take it to someone who knows how to fix these cell phones and can just order the parts off Ifixit and then fix it for you for a cheaper price. iFix is divorcing Samsung over this because their lack of real commitment to do-it-yourself repair programs. Now, the big reason why is because of how much it costs. So Samsung is combining, I believe, the battery and the screen together from now on when it comes to the newer phones. And that makes it almost impossible to repair your phone because you have to get the battery and the screen together. That's even more money when if you just have a cracked screen, you might just want to replace your screen or replace your battery. You can't do that anymore. You have to replace both of them together, which makes it to a point for iFixit where, well, what's the point, right? What's the point of going ahead and putting it up on their website for a $200-300 thing when no one's going to buy it because no one wants to replace a battery and a screen. So because of that, iFixit is now kind of going away from Samsung, which means foldable cell phones like the Z Fold series, Z Flip series, the S series, they're not going to be fixable really that easy anymore. Now, will there still be ways to fix them? Absolutely, right? There still will be companies that sell third-party, things on eBay or Amazon or wherever to fix it. There always will be Temu, Alibaba, I think it's called. They'll always have stuff like that, but it's cheap and unreliable products. iFixit is known for giving you a very good, high premium quality stuff. And that's pretty much the whole gist of iFixit. You go ahead and you order the repair parts and they give you at a pretty good price depending on what you're getting. They give you the ability to buy parts that would be perfect for your device. And you don't have to worry about them being broken or messed up or a problem. For example, when I replaced my S Note 20 Ultra screen recently, I think I did a couple months ago, I bought a screen off eBay, and that thing was messed up completely. It was a small display, it wasn't the correct display, and there was a bunch of different problems. And basically what I understand, that's kind of how it works when it comes to buying certain older Samsung screens off eBay or off other websites, is you're not going to get a really high quality premium type screen. It's just how it works. Even if you spend the most money possible, you're not going to get it. That's why iFix is so great, because they always supply you with a high quality product. So it sucks. It really does suck that this is happening now. So Samsung, yeah, you're not going to be able to fix your Samsung products. So if you have a crack or a problem with your display, you're not going to be able to fix it. Now, again, for flippable cell phones, this is a very high price type scenario. It costs a lot to do this anyway. But still, it's nice to have the ability to do it, but now you will not. So, L on Samsung's part, but tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.